Add cloves to baby oil, and in a few minutes, you will thank me forever. I never imagined what this mixture could do. After preparing this liquid baby oil with cloves, you will never have mosquito problems at home again. Mosquitoes can be annoying insects, even more so when we sleep. And it starts ringing in your ears. We often use chemical insecticides to kill insects without knowing that these chemicals can harm our health. So, today I wanted to offer you a natural insect repellent made from cloves and baby oil. First, we will need a glass container with a lid. Now we will need the alcohol. It can be any alcohol in a liquid. We're going to need a cup of alcohol. We will put a cup of alcohol inside the container. Now we will need cloves from India. Let's add some cloves. Here are about 100 grams of cloves. After adding, cover the glass and leave for 4 days. And we will have to stir twice a day. After 4 days, the liquid will be concentrated with all the benefits of cloves. Now let's use baby oil. Here I am using this, but you can use any other oil. Let's add 4 tablespoons of baby oil. It's done. Let's mix very well. Wrap the 2 ingredients. Then we put it in a practical container for use, preferably with a spray. Let's move on to the strainer because the cloves can obstruct the passage of the liquid. And there you have the wonderful, super effective natural repellent ready. We have to shake the container with our mosquito repellent every time we are going to use it. It simply is. And now we have our all-natural mosquito repellent. Simply exhale onto the skin and use as normal. Because it's natural, everyone can use it here. There are a lot of mosquitoes in my house. After doing this, I never had a problem. It's wonderful. I'm no longer without you. I no longer suffer from mosquito bites. Just sneeze, and that's it. Make it at home, you will love it. Now I will show you another effective remedy for houseflies. Let's cut the lemon and the coupon in half. So let's put the eyelets like this. Very closely, you will place it in the areas you want, such as, for example, the corners of your house, the aroma that comes from the union of these 2 ingredients, which allows flies to stay away from your house. Remember that flies carry many bacteria and diseases like cholera that can seriously affect our health. And the best part of this recipe is to scare away flies. This is because they are natural and do not affect your well-being or the environment of many children and pets. Make it at home, you will love it. Stay with God until the next video.